What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Guys, you know Alicia Kim. She have a platform to deliver her information. She have a platform to talk about her situation. She have a platform to tell the world what have happened to her. But what happened to the people who don't have a platform to tell their story? What happened to the people out there who is living in hell, is living through turmoil, who is living through abuse, both physical and mentally? What happened to those people who don't have a platform? Guys, I have a story for you today that one of my viewers and subscribers who don't have a platform give me our story, and I'm here to tell you about our story. Guys, this one you don't want to miss. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How do you honestly, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you're not feeling no pain. And if you are feel any pain at all, big or small, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you're broke and you have no money, remember, you don't have to worry about that. We're going to call your cousin, your brother, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your mother-in-law, your grandmother-in-law, your great-grandmother-in-law. We go call somebody and then we help you. We go at the doctor. Guys, wellness check, wellness check, wellness check, wellness check. Please, me I beg you. Do no wellness check for your friends, your family, or even your enemy, because wellness check is very important, because mental health crisis is on a rise. Mental health crisis, it's on a rise. Guys, look out for your friends and family. Please, me I beg you now. Guys, if today your birthday, go out, have a nice birthday. Enjoy yourself. Don't drink and drive. If you drink, don't drive. If you drink, call a taxi. Take a picture of the license plate and the car or the driver. Send it to somebody, so we don't have no problem. Today your birthday? Yeah, man. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yes, guys. And guys, I want to thank you, I want to thank you very much for the likes, the love, the respect, the care, and everything. Because, guys, everything what you see me I do on this channel, me I do it from my heart. And guys, remember this. If you don't see me make a video about something, I can talk about anything with anyone. It's just that sometimes I don't make a video about certain things. I leave it alone. So guys, today I'm going to talk to you about this story that this lady tell me that many of you been into, live it and see it. Guys, have you ever gone to the church? Yes, guys, this one is. Have you ever gone to the church and you see the man and the preaching and this preaching the holy gospel? He's preaching, he's saying things, he's doing things, and you're sitting down and you're saying, yes, God, yes, thank you, Jesus. But behind that person that is preaching the gospel, behind that person who is preaching the word of the good God, the good mighty Jesus, is a story. Have that ever happened to you? Welcome, welcome here, because guys, this is one you know what I miss. Have you ever heard about marriage before sex? I hear the story long time, and I said to myself, say, hell no, not under my living body. No, no, no. I mean, there are no relationship and go talk about no married before sex. That's just me. Let us talk about this. Your story, yeah? Guys, this lady find herself around friends and family. saw a gentleman, very nice gentleman, very respectful and nice. Preacher start to talk to the priest, start to talk to this gentleman about life, and everything comes together really well. They decided to start to do a little dating. Early dating, always very nice. However, this particular gentleman let this lady know that he believed in sex after marriage. Uno hear what me say? Hold on. Uno hear what me just say a while ago. Sex after marriage. This lady green light and bulb open up, fly up high in the air, because this lady here where she never hear yet and say yes, no sex without marriage. However, this lady did not even try to see if this man would change his mind, because this man continuously saying no, no sex before marriage. Guys, this lady went even to the mother of the man and have dialogue, and this mother tell this lady, yes, I want my son to marry, so that means my son don't have to live alone. And this lady feels so excited. This lady feels so excited. This lady go as far as say, yes, when me married, all hell go break loose. My viewers and subscribers, this lady said she been with this man for a year before marriage. Listen, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, no sex. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, no sex. Not even a kiss. 10 months, 11 months, 12 months, nothing. No intercourse, no nothing, no straight right, nothing. What a man and what a woman. One here, no sexual encounter. However, everything was going really good. Everything was going good. 1 year, marriage. Yes, man, 1 year marriage. I tell you. Marriage happen, wedding happen, food eat in the woman head. My viewers and subscribers, hold on a little bit. In the lady head, all in the lady head, right through the wedding, was that in the night, when wedding done, she and the man are going to have sword fight. No, not no sword fight. In the night, she and the man are going to have plug in and plug out all night, because at 1 year she wait for all. Listen me good. The lady said all of the high cake up in her body, because before that she never have nothing. All of the Highlander, everything cake up all over body. She ready for explode. She ready for everything. But my viewers and subscribers, this lady said that, hold on a little bit, this sex deprived, hold on, this lady sex deprived, sex, everything, nothing now go on here in the sex room. Yeah, man, the sex room lock off. My viewers and subscribers, when they go at the hotel, she said, she tell the man, say, her husband, because no her husband, And remember, the man said no sex before marriage. She said, when them go at the hotel, she said, honey, me I go bathe first. So she run go in at the bathroom, bathe, sweet up, nice up, perfume up, everything up. All she a wait for now is to get titty up. Brother, this lady said hold on. The lady said, Rodney, me say me go in at the bed. And when me go in at the bed, me put 1 foot at east and 1 at west. I wait for the man to come out. To do him best. The lady said, Rodney, my man go in at the bathroom. Bathe, come out. Hold on a little bit. Hold on, let me set up myself. Because me have to fix up this one here. My viewers and subscribers, she said, when the man come out of the room, the bathroom, she, you know, a hotel. So, you know, as you come out of the bathroom and right in the bedroom, you're there. She said, all paradise in front of my man, tropical paradise like a Jamaica. She said the only thing she hear my man say is, oh my God, I left my pill. She said to him, Mark, you know, this lady hot like 10 fireside, like 10 volcano, you know. Hot, erupt. She ready for erupt, bust, pipe, you know, pressure. All of that pressure in that body, ready for bust. Like a volcano, you know, brother. All of a sudden, my man said, me left me pill. She said to my man, what pill? You left? You take Viagra? She said, everything dropped. She said, the volcano become water within seconds. She said, everything in her body dropped. Because when she lie down in her bed, naked, no clothes on, 1 foot at east, 1 foot at west, ready for my man come sing song in her center pad. My man dead like anti-foul, dead. Can't wake up, can't get up. Because he left him pill them. She said to the man, what you mean you left your pill? My man goes up and look down upon the funeral home. Yes, my man looked down upon the funeral home because he dead, down there dead. She said she couldn't believe, but because of married night, and at the night, she turn on the standpipe and run water. She said to my man, all right, so them try a thing. Listen to me, my viewers and subscribers. The lady said nothing couldn't come up. Everything dead. Nothing couldn't move. Nothing could. Then try everything. Nothing. Here, my man. At the anxiety. Hear me say, guys. The lady said, my man said, at the anxiety. At the anxiety to me not have no sex for so long. She said. She see with him and say, okay, but them sleep, they never do nothing, they never try nothing. Them sleep and wake up in the morning. Time to come out of the hotel to go home. She said when she, Mark, you know, this is 1 year, you know, 1 year of no sexual encounter. And on the night of the marriage, when hell supposed to break loose, volcano supposed to erupt. Standpipe supposed to turn on and not turn off. So them left the hotel and go home. She said when she go home, you know, the volcano still a erupt in her mind. But she want the volcano to cool down, so she knock on the door of the man. The sitting can't stand up either. Mark, you know. This man reach home now where the blue pill them there. The viewers and subscribers, not even blue pill can raise the dead. Now, guys, I'm going to break a little bit from the story. But, guys, let me say this to you. All of you men out there, and all of you ladies out there, Alicia Kim was in the same situation, but only thing, the blue pill them that work for my man. Alicia Kim never know say my man a take blue pill. No, Alicia Kim never know say my man a take blue pill. But this young woman never know say my man can't stand up because of the word no sex before marriage. So guys, think, should you do no sex without marriage, or should you at least see the thing before marriage, or at least see it and know that it can stand up or stand attention before marriage? At least, guys, take my foolish advice. Do not buy no pussy in a bag. Guys, do not buy no pussy in a bag. If you don't want to do the physicality, make the man take it out and show you. Or go around him, love him up, hug him up, kiss him up, make the thing stand at attention so you know what you are go up against. Because this lady here, not even blue pill couldn't stand up it. Wait till me tell you everything. So guys, this is what me have to say. Sex without before marriage, yeah, you can do it, but I think you should at least take the responsibility to find out if this man business can stand up. And for the ladies, I know a situation where this lady was hermaphrodite. I think that she only have a PO. Only a PO, there's no entrance. And she get married to a man who she never tell that is a situation. But so I believe you should at least go to a doctor to make the doctor check these things. If you don't want to check it yourself, I think you should go to a doctor. Let the doctor check these things so you know that what you're going in the relationship have that encounter, because you know no relationship is really cemented if you are not physical, or if you're not getting any if you're not getting any of that what you call it that sentimental attraction, that if you're not getting none of that good, if you're not getting none of that thing that make you go to cloud 9, 12 and 13, it will cause problem in the relationship. So I believe you should figure it out. Try to work with each other. And guys, stop telling lies. Stop telling woman them, oh, no sex without marriage. They know say the Jenga dead. If the Jenga dead, tell the lady that the Jenga dead. Alright, now could go back in the story. The viewers and subscribers, the lady is with this man weeks. Blue pill cannot get this thing stand up. So Mark, this lady been waiting 1 year. Now this relationship start, marriage now. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Still this lady no come out, no enter this lady passage. This lady have not get any intercourse 1 year and now couple months into the marriage. So this lady start to talk to this man now and ask him question. This is now when this lady is going to know that this man have erectile dysfunction permanently. Hold on a little bit. I wonder if you just hear what me say. This lady now have this man living married in the house, and this thing can't stand up. No cock can crow. Hold on. You hear a man in time, you hear no cock can crow. Hear what this lady do. This lady, Mark, they are sleeping in the same bed. This lady wake up early in the morning and look for my man and look see if anything I go up. Touch see if anything hard up. Nothing no hard up. Nothing no stand up. So this lady now realize that she married to a man that cannot have a erection. This man cannot stand at attention. This man cannot give her nothing. And the viewers and subscribers, this lady said, Rodney, me want this something because a long time I do nothing. I'm sit down and wait for this man. But this man lied to this lady by telling her no sex before marriage. And guys, this man, not lady, I'm asking you, this man is a man of God. This man preaching to the audience. This gentleman is helping people with their problems. This gentleman is a man who is talking to people when people have the same problem, the same sexual problem. Not saying he shouldn't do that. But this man is the same man who have a problem, trick his woman into married to him, knowingly that he have erectile malfunction. Yeah, but all of them is not only malfunction or dysfunction, is dysfunction in a one, because not even blue pill cannot raise the dead. So that means this thing gone. This thing is non-void. This thing is dead, dead, dead. It get even worse. She was looking about her papers. Yes. You never know me that come there, so. Guys, she was looking about her papers. She was in the United States, overstay, and was looking about her papers. Let me say this. He knows that she was looking about her papers. So he knows, okay, I got her exactly where I want her. While she's looking about her paper, he's cursing her. He's doing her all different sort of. While she's looking about her papers, he's doing her all different sort of things. The pastor, the man who go in the church and preach to the choir, preach to the audience, talk to people about the expression, telling people about Jesus. And this is what is happening to this lady. Now it get even worse. This lady come up on some pills. When this lady read these things, I go tell you how good God is. Remember Collar Smith said God is the greatest? I go tell you how good God is. This lady come up on some paper, some pills in the house. Only to know when she look on the pills bottle, this guy was being treated, this pastor is being treated for herpes. Hold on. You all just hear what I said. This pastor was taking tablets for herpes. What a good God, man. What a good God. This guy was also taking tablets for syphilis. Oh, wait. Hold on. Did I say herpes and syphilis? Yes, I did say it. So, to be honest with you, God is the man. God is great. And he is the greatest because guess what happened? The good Lord shut down that. The good Lord allowed that penis not to be erected to work. Because if that penis was working, that lady would catch herpes and syphilis from this man who going to church every day. So not only this man catch all these things from people, but this man was doing things. How he catch them, I don't know. However, check this out. This lady let me know that this church man, this pastor man, tell her, don't worry yourself. There's other ways that we can enjoy ourselves by doing oral sex. The pastor wanted the wife to do oral sex on him while he do oral sex on her. She said, hell to the no. I will not do it for you and you will not do it on me. Guys, it is now 6 years since they're together. And 6 years of no intercourse, no sex, no penetration. She said one day she tried and she feel a little bit of something. And she tried to push it in there. And she says, whoops. He fly out. So she said what she did was, when she find out about the herpes and the syphilis, she know that a little part go up in the, go right on the first part of it. When all hell out tuberculosis, yes. She said she still go to the doctor and ask the doctor to give her STD test. It came back clean. Now, my viewers and subscribers, deception and all those kind of things is a dangerous thing. When you're a man of God, when you're in the church, you should live the life of what God asks you to do, and you should live clean the way you're presenting the word from God. When you have these kind of things that you know that you have issues about, you have erectile dysfunction, your penis cannot work, or if you don't have an entrance for your vagina, which barely happens, but it more happen about the penis cannot work. Do not indulge in a relationship without explaining to the person about your situation. It's simple. If Maki did have explained his situation with Alicia Kim, letting her know that I cannot have kids, God knows what would happen. Maybe Alicia Kim would say, okay. Maybe she would say, no, I cannot do this because this is not something that I want to get involved with. This lady may do the same thing. She may say, this is not something that I want to get involved with. This is not something that I want to do, so I won't do it. You have to talk to your partner. When you're going in a relationship, you have to say, look, I have this problem. I'm trying to work on it. I'm trying to fix it. I don't know if it will be able to fix. I don't know if I can fix it, but this is the problem I have. Give that person the opportunity to make up their mind, make their decision if that is something that they want to live with. Don't lie to the people, and then when it reaches a stage where 6 years, she living in this relationship for 6 years. During this 6 years, as a matter of fact, 6 years married, 1 year single, so 7 years. And then you're using immigration status over this individual head. This individual is very smart by not telling you what she is doing. This individual is now, listen to me, viewers and subscribers. This individual that I'm talking about is now a United States citizen. Yes, because this individual sit down, didn't say nothing, talked to professional people, did not say nothing, and check this out. This individual don't have a social media account that can tell her story out to the public. So, on another hand, it is good because nobody will be able to get the information and can go back and tell the husband. So listen to what I'm saying to all of you out there who have a platform. You don't have to say everything on your platform because people is watching, people is looking, and people will go back and tell them what you are doing. For the people who don't have a platform, there is content creator like myself and like-minded vloggers and bloggers like myself who you can contact and talk to. Some of them will make videos and talk about your story. Some of them will highlight your story. I will highlight your story. I will put it out there. I will not call your name. If you said you have no problem with name calling, that's when I will call your name, or that's when I'll put your voice out there. I have things that I can change your voice, but it's up to you if you want your voice to be out there. So my viewers and subscribers, there is a lot of women out there who don't have a platform. What of them? Enough of them. They cannot express themselves to you guys. But there's people out there who need help. There's people out there who want help. Let us use our platform to help these people, to talk about these people problems, to talk about these people issues. And also, this lady let me know that I should tell all the people out there who's going through all kind of problems and all kind of issues. There is ways, and also you're not alone. We are here to help you, and we are here to talk about the situation. I am working together with a few subscribers. I'm trying to reach out to. I'm trying to reach out to some content creators to see what we can do and how we can set up something that we can at least help people to find the numbers to call, find the place to call, and find somebody to help you to get out of these relationships. Because the faster you go is the better for you. And guys, there's one part I did not say in this video that I leave it way down the back here. And I go put it in a very nice way because I don't want it to look too, because you know people watching videos, they'll be like, he sound like he's talking to me. So I kind of change up certain things. This part is the when I go leave it way down to the back. Guys, anytime you hear a man use the terms, I can't take it no more, you need to go. You need to leave. You need to watch him. You need to go. You need to leave. Too much of I cannot take it no more turn out into the woman being unalive by the man. Some viewers and subscribers, with that said, we're going to leave it right here. We're going to have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you very much for like, share the video. And you don't know, more stories coming up, more videos coming up, and we go talk about everything and anything. So guys, remember, stop telling the ladies lies. If your dysfunction a malfunction, tell the lady say dysfunction a malfunction, and stop telling the woman them about yes, even though the dysfunction a malfunction, but you will eat down the world like chichi. Stop it. the ladies, them no want nobody to eat them down like chichi. Them want the rod of correction. So, if your rod of correction is malfunction and dysfunctioning, tell them, make them know, so make them make up their mind. Because remember, these people when me talk about, I don't like them at 20 or them at 15. No, these people are people in their late 40s and 50s. They don't need anything much, but they need a little bit of correction. So don't tell these people about you go eat down place like your chichi. They don't want that. They do not want that. My viewers and subscribers, me gone. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video. Only hope me have a next video where somebody rather correction or work called this your correction you the dead, this your the dead, not even the blue pill could not. So remember, this lady is with this man for 7 years, going in 8. She never get any of the rod of correction. And she and this man married. Marriage before sex